Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of signing up for TradingView. But before that, here's a short description about it. TradingView is a place where traders, investors, educators, and market enthusiasts can connect to share ideas and talk about the market. Retail traders are empowered by professional-grade tools, real-time data, and helpful ideas that were once only available to professional traders. So, if you want to find out how you can sign up for TradingView, then make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open the app TradingView. After that, tap on the three horizontal lines that says Menu at the bottom right, and then go to Login. After that, tap on the option Sign Up. To sign up, you need to provide your email address, create a username, and then a secure password for your account. You can also sign up with Apple. But if you choose to sign up by providing your email and creating a password, then enter the information asked here and then tap on Sign Up, and that's it. Your account in TradingView will be created. So, we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, TechQuest. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.